In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate through some key settings on your computer to optimize your network setup using a few simple steps. So let's jump right in and streamline this process for you. First, look around and find yourself situated at your desktop. It's your digital home base where all adventures start. From here, we're going to make our way to the control panel. You might be familiar with this space. Think of it as the command center for your computer's configuration options. It houses various settings you can tweak to make your system work better for you. Once you've opened the control panel, our next stop is the Sync Center. Clicking on it takes you into the realm of file synchronization settings. Here's an important tip. While exploring this area, ensure you have a clear understanding of what you want synchronized. But for today, we're focusing specifically on managing offline files, those files that you use regularly, which are cached on your machine for easy offline access. Once you click on Manage Offline Files, take a close look at the options. It's essential that Manage Offline Files is disabled at this stage. Disabling it prevents your system from attempting unnecessary background processes that could interfere with network settings. With that sorted, let's navigate away from the Sync Center and head over to the Network and Sharing Center, which is another segment within your control panel. Picture it as the hub for all things network related, from viewing your network status to setting up new connections. In the Network and Sharing Center, we're going to dive a bit deeper with Change Advanced Sharing Settings. This is the section where you really define your privacy and sharing parameters. When you click on this, you'll be presented with a list of different network profiles. Here comes another tip that's crucial. You'll need to toggle off sharing settings for both private and public networks. By doing this, you ensure that your device isn't needlessly visible to other devices on any network you join. It improves security by minimizing the chance of unauthorized access. Once you have made these changes, take a moment to review everything. This small journey through your computer settings will aid in maintaining a balance between convenience and security. And just like that, with a few clicks, you can fine-tune your settings to create a more efficient and secure network experience. And there you have it. You've successfully followed through the whole process. By toggling off and tweaking these settings, you've not only safeguarded your system, but also streamlined its functionality. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to share it with others who might benefit. Thanks for joining me today, and see you in the next tutorial.